Right, so let's get started. Let's start a GoFundMe page, right? So we're going to go up here, start a GoFundMe, put in your information, and press next, right? Right, so then you come to this page, enter your goal here, which is obviously your money. It says here, you can always change your goal amount later if you're not sure where to start. Most campaigns have a goal of 1,000. Okay, let's go for it, right? Campaign title. Well, I've been talking about a YouTube camera video, so let's talk about raising money for a camera. Need a new camera for YouTube videos, right? Let's keep it simple and easy. For myself or someone else or a charity or an organization. So if you're a business, you may want to have to put organization there if you run your own self-employed, but if you are just a freelance amateur, put myself or someone else. Postcode, put in your postcode. I'll put mine in, but use mine. Oh, that's not it. Right, it's going to find your address and you're going to pick a category. So in this case, it's going to be, I'm going to go this one, creative arts, music and film for YouTube. But obviously, whatever you're doing, pick your category, whatever it might be. And if you don't know, if you can't find whichever one you want, you just put it in other. It's just going to filter into a category on when anybody's searching for stuff, aren't there? But you're going to share it with your friends anyway. Fundraise as an individual. I am the sole person or with a team. So if you've got a few people going to organise it, obviously click a team. But if it's just you, click an individual and next. Oh, I didn't put in 1,000. So put in whatever that value is up the top. And next. Add a cover photo, upload a photo, or add a YouTube video. So if you've created a YouTube video, you can add a video. So this is in your header, right? So if you've just got a picture, upload a picture. I'm not sure I've got anything I can use. Let's go. Let's just add a. Should I have one of my YouTube videos? Let's have a look. Your channel videos. I don't know what. Let's just go with my latest one, which is actually a podcast. But obviously, if you want to select a Facebook photo, you connect your Facebook here. You want to upload a photo. That's not me. Image. Here we go. That's a picture of me. That picture's going to be too square, I think. You can add your picture. You all know how to add photos to things. Or if you want to add your YouTube video, you just paste in that YouTube video link. And that's going to grab that and add it. So let's go with that. Tell your story here. So I'm looking to upgrade my YouTube camera. I've been using my phone. I need to level up. Right, whatever it says here, look, to raise money, describe who will benefit, describe what the funds will be used for, explain how soon you need the funds, talk about what support you will, and show how grateful you will be for their help. So you can say, a bit like Patreon, you can say, if you give me a donation, I'll do something in return. If, I'll do a video for you, or I'll give you a shout out in my next video, or something, right? You can show how, or, you can just say, look, I love you forever for helping me out. I'd just be so grateful you'll do me a favour. So you'll get it. What do you need to use it for? What do you need the money for? How soon do you need the money? What it will mean to you in your business or whatever it is. And you'll be flying. You've got a few options here. You can obviously highlight this and click bold. You can add a link. YouTube channel. Probably highlight this and then click link to your YouTube channel, youtube.com. I don't know what Paul Nicholson Go. I don't know if that is me, right? But you can add a link and you can put another photo or a video. So if you go back to that ugly mug that I have, I can add that photo, save it. I wouldn't use that photo. If you want to put a video in again, same as before, add a video. Same video, right? It didn't take, but that's all right. Click next. Your fundraiser is ready to start. Let's start getting donations. So you've set up your fund. Share with 3 to 5 friends and ask them to share. Post at least one social network. Send reminders to your friends. So start sharing. So now you're going to say, here's your link. Here's my go-to link, my GoFundMe link. And then you can also fire it straight to your Facebook. I don't know if I'm logged into Facebook. Oh, there you go. There you go. Need a new camera. Help me get a new camera. This is cool because it picked up the picture from the YouTube video, even though I didn't upload it. So it's good that it does that. Please. Whatever it is, and you share it, right? Post to Facebook. I don't have any friends on that Facebook account because I don't use it, so don't worry that I've not just asked everybody for a donation. So obviously on Messenger as well, you can message somebody direct. You can tweet it. Go to Twitter, right? And you can WhatsApp it. I'm not going to open WhatsApp because if someone's messaging me, it'll keep popping up. Or you can email it, and it'll open up your email account. For some reason, Microsoft Outlook is my default email, but I don't use it. But it's just going to copy that link, and you can share the link, right? So let's go next. Sharing is important. Go back to share. Did you share? I have shared. Manage the fundraiser. So now the page is live. Here's the page. So here's my fundraiser. Here's the video.
Hey guys, it's Paul.
If that was a proper video, you'd see whatever you're doing. Here's the information. Here's the picture. The video that I said didn't work properly. Here are the what's going to be so this is the organizer, and then below will be anybody who donates. Some information for them, and your friends can donate. They can click donate, and they can share, right?